2 raised to 10 minus 2 raised to 9 is equal to 2 raised to x. So, we're going to solve for x. So, in this example, hindi natin pwedeng i-minus yung 2 at saka 2 raised to 10 at saka yung 2 raised to 9 kasi magkaiba sila ng exponent or hindi sila like terms. So, pwede mo lang silang i-minus kung like terms sila. Okay? So, in this example, ang gagawin natin, ipa-factor out natin yung common nila. So, ang common nila is 2 raised to 9. Pa-factor out natin. So, 2 raised to 9. So, ang matitira na lang sa loob is 2 raised to 1. Okay? So, sa laws of exponent, pag nag-multiply tayo ng same base, ang ginagawa sa exponent ay ina-add. So, dito sa ating example, 2 raised to 10. So, pag pinactor out yung 2 raised to 9, magiging 2 raised to 1 na lang yung nasa loob. Okay, burahin muna natin. Ayan. So, 2 raised to 9, pag pinactor out, magiging 1 na lang siya. Okay? So, itong 1 dito sa 2, pwede na natin tanggalin. Ayan. So, magiging 2 minus 1 na lang. Equals 2 raised to x. So, 2 raised to 9 times 2 minus 1 is 1. Equals 2 raised to x. So, 2 raised to 9 times 1 is 2 raised to 9 is equal to 2 raised to x. So, we can use the 1-to-1 property. If b raised to x is equal to b raised to y, then x is equal to y. Pag pareho ng base, tapos meron silang exponent, we can equate the two exponents. So, kagaya dito, parehas na ng base, tapos meron silang magkaibang exponent, we can equate the exponent. So, 9 equals x. Or, x equals 9. So, ang answer dito is 9.